I think most people say the reason they go geocaching is because of the places it brings them, because of the cool containers, because of the awesome people that they go geocaching with. But most people don't talk about the treasure, the stuff inside the geocaches. Seriously, if you ask any 4-year-old the best thing about geocaching, it's finding toys inside the caches. But let's face it, from time to time, us adult geocachers, we like to find cool stuff in caches too. We don't like when people put a leaf in there, or a stick, or a rock, or sand. As I think about my time as a geocacher, I think about all the stuff that I've found in geocaches, and let's face it, usually it's just not great. But sometimes you'll run into like a caribou card, sometimes hard cold cache. But I think my favorite thing to find inside geocaches are path tags. Ooh la la. So if you don't know what path tags are, I have made several other videos about path tags. A path tag is a personal signature small coin that is different than a geocoin, but it is something that is meant to be dropped in caches, to be traded, to signify who you are as a geocacher. And every year I make a personal path tag. And so our friends at Pathtags.com have sent me some brand new path tags, and the big reveal is happening today. Usually I get one design a year, but this year, two designs. And I'm excited to show them to you, and I'm excited to tell you how you can get one of these. All right, here is bag number 1, and inside of it is, oh, there it is. It says on this year's path tag, it is a little picture of me, and it says, get your cache pants on. I got my cache pants. I got my cache pants on. Are you ready to see this year's design? Here it is. Ooh, there it is. Ah, I am so pumped. That little dude just found a little geocache. It says, get your cache pants on. Now, as you see, I decided to pick the same color scheme that I have. So my path tags over all the years, they kind of have this like matching theme to them. Now, if you're looking at that path tag and you're like, oh my gosh, what a beautiful piece of artwork. I want that for my collection. Well, this path tag is for my patrons. Those that choose to support the work that we do here on YouTube to try to inspire geocachers and future geocachers to explore their world through our amazing hobby of geocaching. And anyone that supports our work through Patreon for at least $3 a month will get this cool little path tag. And I want to thank those of you that have been so generous over the many months, some over years. Thank you so much. You make this channel happen. You help us to inspire geocachers. You make this sustainable for us to continue to do this week after week after week. And we've been doing it for 8 years. So usually that's it. That's the big reveal. But guess what? This year I got 2 designs. But here's the deal. It is so cool to be able to thank patrons with my path tags. But here's the thing. Path tags are designed, they are made to be thrown into geocaches, and they're made to be traded with other people that have path tags. So this time I created a limited supply of path tags that I am going to either throw into caches or trade with people in person. Now, are you ready for this reveal? Here we go. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Here goes. Oh my gosh, look, it's kind of the same design, but it has a white background. Oh my gosh, what's that right there? It's our favorite kind of geocache. It's an ammo can. It says, get my cache pants on. I'm singing the song. I'm doing the dance. What do you think? What do you think of that? So I have a path tag to trade with people in person or drop into geocaches. Here's the deal, limited supply. I'm going to be in Fort Worth, Texas for Geo Woodstock Memorial Day weekend. If you meet me there, after the event, there's this thing called Midnight Madness. It is a swag and geocoin and path tag trading situation. People bring their path tags and they trade. Meet me there. I'm gonna make a video all about path tag trading. And I'm gonna be trading these path tags, and I'm gonna be meeting you face to face. Some of you guys might be thinking, Josh, I wanna trade you. I wanna trade you through the mail. I just don't have the time to be able to do trades through the mail. So meet me there, shake my hand, give me a high five. Maybe you'll get on video and be a part of the Geo Woodstock path tag trading video situation. It's gonna be a great situation, that's for sure. So there they are, not 1, but 2 brand new path tags. If you would like the Patron path tag, I'll put a link up here if you're on YouTube, or you can just go to patreon.com/geocachingvlogger and you can support us there for at least $3 a month, and I'll send you one of these. And or if you meet me at Geo Woodstock in Fort Worth this year at Midnight Madness, I will meet you there. I will shake your hand and we'll do a little trade while supplies last, because I don't have unlimited number. And if you don't have a path tag, go to pathtags.com. The process is very simple. Get your path tag created and you can get your own signature item that you can trade as well. And I want to just thank pathtags.com for partnering with us for this video. Thank you so much. Path tags, again, my favorite swag item to find in geocaches and to trade with other people. I look forward to seeing many of you at Geo Woodstock this summer and anytime else we meet on the trail. See you guys. Let's go caching.